Prep test 62, logic game number 4, question 21 asks us, if S is fifth, then U must be which of the following? So we've got our rules up here, and we're going to go ahead and bring up our master diagram and see what else we can figure out here. So if S is in the fifth spot, we know it goes right there. We also remember that we have to have ST or SU up here, but we're not allowed to put a U in this sixth spot, therefore it must be a T. Great. So we have two of our variables placed, and we have to figure out where U can go. Well, we know that U comes before R and W. So U couldn't go here, and U couldn't go here. It wouldn't leave any space for R and W. Thus, it could go in either the first or second spot, but those are both answer choices over here. So let's try each of them out and figure out why one of them works and one of them doesn't work. So in the first one, we're going to place U in the first spot, and we're going to look at our other requirements. We need to find a spot for TM or for WM. There is obviously no spot for TM, so WM it is. We could place WM right here, and we can put an R right there, and that's looking pretty good. So A is a very promising choice. What if we placed U in the second spot? So we have U, S, and T. We need a spot for W and M, so they better go right there, and that forces R into the first spot, which is not allowed. That doesn't work, and that is why U cannot go in the second spot, nor the third, the fourth, or the sixth for reasons we already described. A is our answer.